Are you looking for the best 3D printers for home? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers for home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FlashForge AD5X 3D Printer. The moment the FlashForge AD5X 3D Printer Multicolor Printing Intelligent Filament System one-click auto-leveling group control starts, creativity transforms into reality. Every idea becomes a vibrant, tangible creation that feels personal and inspiring. A simple desk or workshop turns into a studio of imagination, where every layer adds depth and every printed object tells a story. The excitement of watching a design emerge slowly into a fully realized model brings pride, satisfaction, and a sense of accomplishment that makes creating unforgettable. This printer appeals to people who crave both precision and freedom in their projects. The intelligent filament system and one-click auto-leveling allow even complex multicolor designs to come to life smoothly, making every print session effortless and enjoyable. As designs develop layer by layer, each moment feels magical, turning ordinary concepts into extraordinary works of art. Creativity becomes an immersive journey, inviting experimentation and sparking inspiration with every project. Every printed piece gains character and uniqueness, from artistic models to functional prototypes. Each creation reflects thoughtfulness, care, and imagination, turning simple ideas into cherished works that can be admired, shared, and celebrated. The group control feature adds convenience for users working on multiple projects, creating efficiency without sacrificing quality or detail. The growing demand for accessible advanced 3D printing shows the desire for tools that are powerful yet approachable. This printer meets that expectation perfectly. Every project becomes a celebration of creativity, where each detail stands out, every color pops vividly, and every completed creation inspires confidence, pride, and lasting satisfaction. Number 2. Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo 3D Printer. A spark of imagination comes alive when the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo Multicolor 3D Printer High-Precision Core XY Stable Structure Ultra-Quiet Max Speed 600mm per second 3D printer begins its work, turning abstract ideas into tangible creations. Every design takes shape with clarity and precision, allowing users to bring their visions to life in ways that feel personal, meaningful, and inspiring. A simple workspace transforms into a playground of innovation where creativity flows freely and every project tells a story. Many individuals look for a tool that makes creativity accessible while maintaining professional quality. This printer answers that desire by delivering reliable performance that is smooth, controlled, and effortless. Watching a design build layer by layer creates a sense of achievement, turning even small projects into experiences that feel rewarding and exciting. Every printed object becomes more than just a model. Custom designs, personalized gifts, and functional prototypes take on a depth and vibrancy that make them special. Each piece becomes a reflection of care, thought, and artistry, leaving a lasting impression on both the creator and those who experience it. The rising popularity of high-precision, multicolor 3D printing reflects the desire for advanced tools that are intuitive, quiet, and stable. This printer fits perfectly into that trend, supporting spontaneous creativity and carefully planned projects alike. Its smooth operation and dependable structure make the printing experience enjoyable and stress-free, encouraging repeated exploration. Owning this printer feels like unlocking a new way to express imagination, where every creation excites the senses, every detail stands out, and every finished piece becomes a treasured accomplishment. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra 3D Printer. A new dimension of creativity comes alive when the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra AE version LCD 3D printer 7-inch 10K high-precision 3D printing 2.2-liter build volume 236mm by 231mm by 430mm begins crafting designs, transforming imagination into reality. Every concept takes shape with remarkable clarity, turning ordinary ideas into tangible creations that feel personal, inspiring, and meaningful. A workspace becomes a center of innovation, where every layer adds depth and every project tells a story, making each print an emotional journey as much as a technical achievement. Many people seek tools that allow them to express ideas with precision while feeling effortless and rewarding. This 3D printer answers that need by delivering smooth, dependable performance that encourages creativity. Watching a design emerge layer by layer creates a sense of accomplishment, turning small ideas into extraordinary results. Each session motivates exploration, making the process as enjoyable as the final creation. Every printed object holds value beyond its form. Custom models, functional prototypes, or artistic projects gain uniqueness and attention to detail that make them truly stand out. Each layer reflects care, patience, and creativity, transforming simple designs into cherished pieces that can be admired, shared, and remembered for years. The rising popularity of high-precision 10K LCD 3D printing shows the demand for accessible yet advanced tools that inspire innovation. This printer perfectly meets those expectations, supporting both spontaneous ideas and carefully planned projects. Its stability, reliability, and precision make every print smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated creative exploration. Owning this printer feels like unlocking the ability to bring imagination to life, where every creation inspires wonder, every detail stands out, and every finished project becomes a treasured accomplishment. Number 4. Anycubic Cobra X 3D Printer. A new world of creativity begins when the Anycubic Cobra X 3D printer's 600mm per second max print speed 2 times time and material-saving built-in 4-color printing automatic leveling printer starts transforming imagination into reality. Every idea turns into a tangible creation with remarkable clarity, making each project feel personal, inspiring, and meaningful. A simple workspace becomes a hub of innovation where every layer adds depth and every print tells a story, turning the act of creation into a truly immersive experience. People often seek tools that combine efficiency, precision, and ease of use, allowing them to bring ideas to life effortlessly. This printer fulfills that need by offering smooth, dependable performance that encourages experimentation and exploration. Watching a design emerge layer by layer creates a feeling of accomplishment and pride, turning ordinary visions into extraordinary creations. Every session becomes a journey that sparks inspiration and fuels ongoing creativity. Every printed object carries significance beyond its physical form. Personalized models, functional prototypes, or artistic creations gain uniqueness and character, making them memorable and special. Each layer reflects attention, care, and imagination, turning ideas into treasured pieces that can be admired, shared, and cherished for years. The increasing popularity of advanced 3D printing demonstrates the demand for tools that are innovative yet approachable. This printer meets that need perfectly, supporting both spontaneous projects and carefully planned creations. Its high print speed, for color capability, and automatic leveling make every print smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated use and exploration. Owning this printer opens the door to limitless creativity, where every project inspires imagination, every detail stands out, and every finished piece becomes a cherished achievement. Number 5. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. A spark of creativity ignites the moment the Creality K1 Max 3D printer's 600mm per second printing speed dual-gear direct drive extruder 300 by 300 by 300mm begins turning imagination into reality. Every idea transforms into a tangible creation with extraordinary precision, making each project feel personal, inspiring, and meaningful. A workspace evolves into a hub of innovation where each layer builds depth and every printed object tells a story, turning the process of creation into an immersive and exciting experience. People often look for tools that make it easy to bring visions to life while ensuring quality and efficiency. This printer fulfills that need by offering reliable and smooth performance that encourages exploration and experimentation. Watching a design emerge layer by layer generates a sense of pride and accomplishment, turning ordinary concepts into remarkable creations. Each session becomes a journey that fuels inspiration, motivates imagination, and opens doors to new possibilities. Every printed model carries significance beyond its physical form. Customized prototypes, artistic projects, and functional designs gain individuality and character, making them memorable and special. Each layer reflects care, thought, and creativity, turning simple ideas into treasured works that can be admired, shared, and appreciated for years. The rising popularity of advanced 3D printing demonstrates the desire for tools that are innovative yet approachable. This printer meets that expectation perfectly, supporting both spontaneous experiments and carefully planned projects. Its high printing speed, dual-gear extruder, and precise operation make every print smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free, encouraging repeated creative exploration. Owning this printer unlocks a gateway to unlimited imagination, where every project inspires creativity, every detail stands out, and every finished creation becomes a cherished achievement.